Hey Dekoni fans! Today, I'm gonna teach you how to install your Dekoni audio ear pads for the Audeze Mobius. This pad is adhesive, so we will go slowly and be very careful since they can only be applied one time. First, we need to remove the stock pads. They may tear or come apart in this process, but that's okay. If you'd like, you can clean the residue of the base with an alcohol swab. If you choose to do this, be sure to let it dry completely before proceeding to apply the Dekoni pads. Fortunately, the pads are identical and symmetrical, so grab either one of your Dekoni pads and remove the double-sided tape from the backing. Carefully apply the revealed adhesive on the pad to the base, and then firmly press down on the pad to bind the pad and the base together. Alongside the trusty Dekoni audio earpads, a journey now begins with your immersive Audeze Mobius.